So today we did 6 200s, 90 seconds rest in between each run. Oh my days. Christine said, oh yeah, you're doing 8. I thought I was doing 8, coach said 6, but I know in his head, depends how it goes. If all's going well and it's strong, then 8, but we did 6 today. First time doing 200 repeats with a 90 seconds rest, so the recovery is coming sharply down, but it will, as coach said, he said it will help me for the 400, just building up that money in the lactate bank. So yeah, that's where Tuesday done, so rest tomorrow and then back again on Thursday. Got the legs on, see you Thursday. Bye. So with a break in between the running sessions, on the Wednesday I decided to do a upper body workout. So it's that's the benefits of having a split session. So next week I'm going back to work, so I'll have to double up. So either do the upper body after the session, but this week it worked out doing the upper body on the Wednesday. Yeah, it also gave me a moment to check in with my body and to do some mobility and stretching work, because as you get older it becomes so important to stretch. I know I keep on going on about this, but to prevent injury, just maintaining that full range of motion, you have to be stretching. So it doesn't have to be long, it can be 2-3 minutes. If you have more time, 10-15 minutes is ideal. But yeah, it's just taking time to check in with yourself. All right, so today 4 250s, 90 seconds rest. Got Mike Vass there. Say hello. Say hello.
Yeah.
Help me today. Finish the 4 reps. Hamstrings are feeling non-existent. So we'll see, not even halfway through the session. So I have a feeling it could be sled next. And we did complete work on the sled. 6 runs, driving as hard as we can. Right, so busy week this week. The recovery has been chopped down for the pyramid and for the 250s that I did, but I had a day's rest in between. So today I am going to try, I had a feeling in my mind of doing 6 150s or a series, so 150 300, 150 300. I could do that twice or 3 times. I'm feeling like
6 150s today, just because of the cut down in recovery. So I don't want to overload my body too much today, so I reckon I'm going to keep the rest at maybe 5 minutes in between each run, and then coach can come and kill me again next week. So it'll be a double back-to-back session because I'm back to work Monday, Thursday, Friday. So I'd rather have those work days and then just double up on the sessions, but we'll see how it goes. The teaching side, we'll see. The Thursday's like, but then it's a childcare. I want to see my baby. I don't want to be back to work and then go to training straight after. So yeah, that's the one thing I'm going to do. The back-to-back Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, let's stop chatting. There's some hurdles that have been left out. I'll quickly do a quick jog and then do my drills, and then we're going to get into that session. All right, let's go.
Few minutes later.
All right, session done. So hot and humid, but I'm glad to today. 6 150s, all under 24 seconds. So I'm happy with that. So next meet will be the 22nd of June. 3 weeks to prep. We shall see how it goes. If I could hit that 65 again, that'd be nice. It's at Stratford as well, so I have to do it. Like all the years living in Stratford, I never, well, apart from running the 10k, but actually competing in an athletics event, sprint race. So the next few weeks of training will be interesting because they're doubled up back to back. I'm going to keep the Saturday sessions if I can, and yeah, next competition 22nd of June at Stratford. There's a clock, 5 o'clock, time to go. Right, I'm going to leave you, have a good weekend, and see you next week.